Okay, when we receive a laser welding machine, what we need to do of the steps to set up the machine and also turn off the machine. First, we need to connect to the power, to the main switch. Here, this one is single phase, 220 watts. And after it's connected, then we go back to the rear of the little welding machine here and to power on this part. Then the key switch. Water chiller. Okay, you can see here, it's already shown in the screen. The main parameters. Now the water chiller. After we switch on the water chiller, we have to check first how the temperature it shows here. We need to wait 5 to 10 minutes until temperature reaches 24 to 26 degrees. After it reaches the reasonable degrees, then we can start the final step to click on the laser power. So these are steps what we need to do to start the laser welding machines.